What are the common reasons for the Spectrum cable box not working, and how can I fix them?
Hello and welcome to this video. Today, we're going to talk about the common reasons why your Spectrum cable box might not be working and how to fix these issues. This guide should help you troubleshoot some of the most common problems you might encounter with your device. Please note that if your issue persists after these steps, it's best to contact Spectrum's customer service for further assistance.
Is your Spectrum cable box powered on?
First and foremost, let's make sure your cable box is getting power. A blinking or steady light on the front panel of the box usually indicates it's receiving power. If there's no light, make sure your cable box is plugged into a working electrical outlet. If it still doesn't power on, the issue might be a faulty power cord or a hardware problem with the box itself.
Is your TV set to the correct input?
Sometimes the problem is as simple as your TV not being set to the correct input. Use your TV's remote to cycle through the input options, HDMI 1, HDMI 2, AV, etc., until you find the one that displays the Spectrum cable box signal.
Are your cables properly connected?
Loose or disconnected cables can also cause issues with your Spectrum cable box. Double-check all cable connections from the wall outlet to your cable box and from your cable box to your TV to ensure they're properly connected.
Is there a signal issue?
Signal issues can often be the culprit. Try resetting your cable box by unplugging it from the power outlet, waiting 60 seconds, and plugging it back in. It can take a few minutes for the reset process to complete and for your channels to become available.
Are you experiencing specific error codes?
Sometimes, your Spectrum cable box might display specific error codes. These codes can provide clues as to what's wrong. Note down any error codes you see and look them up in the Spectrum Troubleshooting Guide or contact Spectrum support for help. We hope that this guide has helped you troubleshoot and fix some of the most common issues with your Spectrum cable box. Remember, if your problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out to Spectrum's customer service for more help. Thanks for watching, and we hope you'll have a smooth viewing experience from here on out.